Good evening, friends with Apala, Engineering and General Geology, Parbin Singh. Chapter 7 Structural Feature of a Rock. Inside this chapter, Faults and Faulting. Introduction, Faults terminology, classification of faults, effect of faulting, recognition of faulting, causes of faulting, engineering consideration of faults. Part D, Joints and Jointing, Introduction, Classifications, Occurrence of Joints, Origin of Joints, Engineering Considerations, Other Structural Features, Unconformity, Example of Faults. Here typical questions. Question 1 first describes with the help of a neat sketch various part of faults as understood in structural geology. Second, what are broadly expected causes of a faulting of a rock? And second question explains with the help of a neat sketches principal type of faults as recognized on the basis of apparent movement and second mode of occurrence. Question number third. Write a brief note on the joints in the rock, their causes and effect on the engineering quality of rocks. Question number 4. Write illustrated note on any four. First, thrust fault. Second, host and graben. And third, master joints. Fourth is columnar jointing. And fifth is angular unconformity. Sixth is head, heave, and throw in faults. Rift valley and layer outlier. Question number 5th, tick the correct answer. A question, a fault is essentially a fracture. So we select one answer. Read carefully everyone. Point, with or without relative displacement having taken place, aspect as a past, sorry, I hardly to pronounce, as part its surface, and second along with which some say defined amount of relative displacement has taken place. Third, that has opened up without a relative displacement. Fourth is none of the above. So answer A 2, along which some define definite amount of relative displacement has taken place. Question number B, head indicates in a fault. First options, an angle of inclination of the fault plane with the vertical. Second, an angle of inclination of the fault plane with the horizontal. Third options, a distance by which any 2 point formerly contiguous to each other's now stand separated and angle the fault plane. Fourth, none of the above. So select one answer from B question. First answer is right. An angle of inclination of the fault plane with the vertical. Question number C. Block mountain is the terms used for first mountain created by thrust fault, second mountain created due to slipping of side blocks along parallel strike faults leaving behind raised blocks. Third is a mountain developed due to denudation of original land by glaciers. And fourth is none of the above. So C answer is the second, mountain created due to slipping of side blocks along parallel strike faults leaving behind raised blocks. And D, an unconformity is actually. Question, select option 1. D question, an unconformity is actually. Select one answer. First, a surface of erosion or non-depositions or both as detected in a sequence of rock. Second, a layer of boulders and pebbles in a sequence of rock. And third option, a layer of clays or shell in an igneous mass. Fourth is none of the above. D question answer is 1. A surface of erosion or non-depositions or both as detected in a sequence of rock. Question number 6, discuss the statement different type of faults represent response of same type of rock to stresses acting upon them explains with the help of stress the ellipsoid developed of normals reverse and strike slip fault. Thank you.